Welcome back everyone, welcome back to the video. Today's video is going to be mods for dummies. If you're a dummy, you can do these mods. Super easy, super simple, and they will change your vehicle for the better and quickly. Price, there's no price limit. These mods you're about to see could be $2 to $2,000 to plus, but they're easy to install for a dummy. So the first one's going to be interior lights. All you have to do is pop these pieces off, either change the bulb or you can change it completely to be like LED like mine. Boom, nice and bright. Woo! Oh my god, that is actually super easy. That takes no time at all, depending on what kind of car you have and if you want to buy the part. If you're buying the part online, it makes it easier. Panels to hold stuff in like this, pops right out. This is wrapped, so you can find different colors, you can find carbon fiber, you can find whatever it may be on Amazon and whatnot. And then of course, you know, for the GTI of mine, you can pop these out, change them. This is a bigger, different story. Pop it out. They have a lot of carbon fibers for your interior trim like this. You can definitely get carbon fibers, pop out, put it back in, pop out, put it back in. Easy peasy. Same thing goes for like your vents right here. Pop out, put it back in. Super easy. Believe it or not, for the next thing, it's a big thing and it's expensive, is going to be new rims. You're like, what? That's not easy. It is actually. Almost every single car sold today has their own equipment to change a tire. So you buy new rims, you get your spare tire tools, which can easily take your tire off, and you can get that all done in literally 30 minutes time. Brand new rims, super easy. You just take the bolts off after it's lifted up, put it down, boom, done. And I can actually make a video on how to change a tire correctly if you guys want to. If not, I'll leave it. Awesome mod you can do that is super easy to do if you have a screwdriver. This is a little bit more, but it's super easy. Your rear diffusers on most cars pop right out. There's 1 or 2 points where you have to unscrew and then the rest can pop out. You just snap, 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 comes undone, and then reverse it. You put it on, screw it back in, make sure everything's snapped in, done. You could do carbon fiber, forged carbon if you got a lot of money, and who else knows what you could do. You can wrap it, all that fun stuff. And then on top of that, for another super easy modification you can do to your car right now is going to be your grills, your front grills. I have my charger hooked up to my car because it's been sitting for a while. But all they do, 99% of them either pop out or have just a couple screws under the hood to get them out. Like these bad boys, pop right out. This bad boy, pop right out. This guy has literally 3 screws, comes right out, and then you replace it. Boom. 10-minute job, done. The front end of your car is gonna look amazing. But like I said, it's up to you, depending on what you want to do to it. Online, look up your car, look up the front grills and whatnot, and boom, done. Car is a whole nother machine. The next modification you can do to your car that is dummy proof is a roof rack. Roof racks come on every single car because they're super usable for everything. I have here just an attachment rack, so you can put all sorts of things: skis, kayaks, cargo box, everything. These just clip on. All you have to do is pop this bad boy off. You have your screw that unhooks these guys, and then you just hook them back on. Super easy. Instructions, literally no more than a 20-minute install. If you can't do that, you probably shouldn't be driving a car. Sorry. So there you have it. So easy to do mods to your car. A lot of you don't realize it. I just showed you a couple. There's a lot more that I can get in depth to. So if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, comment what else you want to see, because I have definitely a few others. I wanted to keep the video short so you guys don't get bored. But if you use this information and did anything to your car, let me know. I would love to hear it. I love talking to you guys. And of course, make sure you're subscribed, leave a like, and I will see you guys on the next video.